Hello everyone, this is Captain Wolf from the channel Global Mag. Thank you once again for watching yet another interesting tutorial, and in today's video we are going to cover how to remove a background from an image in Canva. Yes, you heard it right. Canva is one of the world's leading online designing tool that provide you with unlimited features. It has a free plan as well as a paid plan as well. It is an Australian graphic design platform that can be used to create many interesting social media graphics, presentation, posters, documents, and other visual content of your liking. You can make whatever you want with the help of their built-in templates, and you can design your own templates as well. In today's tutorial, we are going to cover how to remove the background of an image using Canva. Well, here we are at the Canva, and from here what you need to do is you need to go to create a design, and here it is going to show you many suggesting options which include such as video, Instagram posts, presentations, poster, logo, or whatever you want to create. It is going to show you built-in templates. In today's tutorial we are going to remove the background of an image. So let's start with edit photo, and from here we are going to upload an image with the background, and we are going to remove it using Canva. So I have selected the image. This is the image which has a background, a solid background in it, and it has been uploaded in my Canva account. And once it's uploaded in your Canva account, all you need to do is just click the edit button, and it's going to open up a new screen for you. As you can see, the image is uploaded in Canva, and from here we can use different features. And for today's tutorial we are just going to remove the background of the image. So again we are just going to select the image, click edit, and here Canva provides you with an option of background remover. So if you click the option, it is going to remove the background. It's uploading, and here you go. You can see the background of the image has been completely removed, and it is that easy with just a single click. And this is not just it. If you want to edit your image, if you want do not want to remove the background, it offers you various other features as well. There are many filters available from where you can choose how your image look like. So let's go back, restore the original image, click the image, and from here, instead of removing the background, we can adjust the brightness according to our need. Similarly, we can change the contrast, saturation, and from here we have different filters available, and you can select any of the filter that you want, and it is going to adjust the settings accordingly. There are many other tools available as well, such as you can use auto enhance function and autofocus. If you want to change your image to a photogenic one, then you can do that as well. And similarly, there are other filters, frames available from where you can choose. There are lots of features that you can use from, and believe me, you will love all the features that Canva provide you with just a single click. So this was it. So again, if you missed the other part, I will just repeat the step again. The image has been uploaded. I'm just going to click the edit image button again, and from here I'm going to select the background remover tool. I'm going to click it, and it is going to remove the background of my image, and soon you will see the image without any background, or should I say a transparent background. This is as easy as it can get. With just a single click, the background has been removed. I'm going to hit the apply button. As you can see, the background has been removed, and from here I can just click the download, and here it will provide me with an option of how much resolution I want my picture to be. So accordingly you can select the size of your image according to your need and just hit the download icon, and it is going to download the image for you. So the image has been downloaded, and if we go and see the image, and voila, you can see the background has been completely removed. And this is how easy it is to use Canva to remove the background of the picture. So there are other lots of other features available with Canva. You can design the YouTube thumbnail. You can design so many things. Even you can also make your own videos in Canva as well. Thank you for watching the video. I would really appreciate if you share your feedback in the comment section. And if you like the video, do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever we upload any new video, you get the notification. Thank you so much. Have a good day.